Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing the EPOMAKER X Aula F75 gasket mechanical keyboard, a 75% wireless hot-swappable gaming keyboard designed for ultimate comfort, versatility, and style. Buy on Amazon using the link in the description. Let's dive in. The F75 features a 75% compact layout, perfect for gamers and typists who want a smaller footprint without sacrificing functionality. It comes with Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired connectivity, so you can switch seamlessly between devices, whether it's a PC, Mac, or tablet. One of the standout features is the hot-swappable switches. You can customize the keyboard by changing switches without soldering, making it perfect for gamers or enthusiasts who want a personalized typing experience. This model comes with Leabog Reaper switches, providing a satisfying tactile response, but you can swap them for linear or clicky switches as you prefer. Comfort and sound are enhanced with 5-layer gasket-mounted padding, which reduces typing noise and vibration while delivering a soft, cushioned feel. The Rotary Knob adds an extra layer of functionality, allowing you to control volume, media, or other shortcuts effortlessly. Performance highlights: 75% layout, compact but functional for gaming and typing. Hot-swappable switches, customized typing experience without soldering. Bluetooth/2.4 GHz/USB-C, flexible connectivity for multiple devices. 5-layer gasket padding, reduced noise and enhanced typing comfort. RGB lighting, fully customizable for aesthetics and ambience. Rotary knob, control volume, media, or shortcuts quickly. For gamers and productivity enthusiasts, this keyboard delivers responsive, comfortable, and customizable typing. The RGB lighting can sync with your setup, giving your desk a modern and stylish look. Its wireless modes let you enjoy a clean desk while staying connected to multiple devices. The EPOMAKER X Aula F75 is perfect for anyone looking for a premium wireless mechanical keyboard with a gasket-mounted typing experience, hot-swappable flexibility, and a compact footprint. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the Amazon link in the description to grab your EPOMAKER X Aula F75 gasket mechanical keyboard. Level up your typing and gaming experience today.